Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone as a webcam for your computer. If you have a laptop without an inbuilt camera, or you have a desktop tower, you can actually use your smartphone as a webcam. All you will need is a tripod or a place to put your smartphone. The smartphone itself, either an Android or an Apple device with a good net Wi-Fi connection and a USB cable to connect. So for me, I'm going to be using an Android phone, and to get started, what I need to do is to download a webcam app on the phone, and this particular webcam is called Webcam App. There are a lot of webcam applications on the market, but this is one of the best. It's free, and also you can select display up to 4K for the camera. So next thing to do is to download the Webcam software on your computer. You have the Windows, Mac, or Ubuntu. So I have a Windows, so I downloaded the Windows, and automatically it's gonna pick up if your phone and your laptop are on the same Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is a very good connection. You can still observe a slight latency in the display, but if you really want a strong connection between your phone and your computer, all you have to use is the USB, and to do that you have to enable USB Debugging on your phone. So this is a wire connection via USB cable. This is the best option and a reliable one. When that is done, let me show you how to actually use the cam for your live video calls. So pretty much that's all the connection you have to do. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again sometime. Thank you.